Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing how two of my main stores have over 54,000 free listings. Yes, you heard that right, 54,000. And I'm going to show you how you could also start getting free listings for your Etsy store. Now, the reason why I'm doing this video is because I did a screenshot of my free listings and I posted them on Instagram, and I also did a post on YouTube, my community tab. And many people have reached out to me through DM or messaged me or left a comment asking me, how the heck did you get 54,000 listings and how can I do the same? So I wanted to create a quick video to kind of talk about it, break it down, and also at the end of the video, I'm going to show you how to find your referral link. So you want to make sure that you watch all the way to the end. Now, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel and you want to learn how to grow an Etsy business, make sure that you subscribe today and hit the notification bell so every single time I upload a new video, you are the first one to get notified. So let's go ahead and get started. So the referral link, basically what it is, you promote it, you give it to someone, and if they sign up for Etsy, they get 40 free listings, but then you also in return get 40 free listings. The listings could be for new products that you add, or they could be for renewal. So every 4 months when a product either sells or promote or renews, they pull from the free listings that you have first before they charge you. So it's really nice because if you already set in your store and you don't want to add more products, you could just leave them there and for years not have any fees on your listing fees. At least you'll have other fees, but not listing fees. Now, essentially, when I first started using the referral link was before I was an Etsy coach. So I was using it in my Pinterest account and also in my blog. In my blog, I wasn't getting that much traction back then, but I was getting a lot of traction from Pinterest. So every month I was averaging anywhere from 200 to 300 free listings, even though I was not an Etsy coach, because I was promoting it on Pinterest. And Pinterest is amazing, guys. So that was kind of like where I kind of got it started. And then once I transitioned to digital marketing to Etsy coach, then it kind of grew a little bit more because of my audience. My audience are Etsy sellers. So my blog, I switched my whole entire blog for Etsy sellers, and everything that I promote 99% of the time is for Etsy sellers. So that's why I have 54,000. And the main reason is because I promote it everywhere. When I say everywhere, I mean I have it on my Facebook fan page, I have it on my Facebook group page, I have it on Reddit, I have it on Instagram, I have it on Twitter, I have it on LinkedIn, I have it on my blog. I actually have a resource page for Etsy sellers where I have over 300 tools, and I have it in there as well. So the key to getting tons of listings is putting that referral link everywhere, even in your email signature. Like just put it in the bottom and say, if you're interested in opening an Etsy shop, use this link to get free 40 listings, and just leave it there. You'll be surprised how maybe you email someone and they might click and end up opening a store. Or maybe you put it in your Instagram stories and somebody actually uses it, right? So just put it anywhere and everywhere that you promote your business and make it a habit to promote it. And eventually you'll start getting some traction, even if it's 40 free listings every month, or even if you just get 80 listings, right? Because two people signed up. That's better than nothing, and it will help you cut down expenses. So make sure that you promote it everywhere and anywhere that you can. And let's head over to my computer and I'm going to show you exactly where to find your referral link. Okay, so here we are on my computer. And this is actually the page that you want to go to redeem to get your referral link. I'm going to leave the link of this page below the video as well as in the comment section. And the two things that you need to do. First, you need to be logged in into the actual account that you want to get your referral link to work for. If you are logged in into the incorrect account and you start getting free listings and then you notice it later, Etsy will not transfer those listings to a different store. So this is more for people that have multiple stores like me. Make sure that you're logged in into the right account. Make sure also that you read the terms of use. That way there's no confusion from your end. And when you're ready, all you're going to do is click right here. It's going to open a new page, and this is the link that you will give to others. And anytime a friend of yours open an Etsy shop, you both get 40 free listings. So it's really nice, and you could put this little link anywhere and everywhere so you could start getting some traction. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them below, and thank you guys for watching.